call when we ran this down on the wreck. One of the two Aplos lights flooded for some reason or other. This one didn't. This one still works great. But so I left a review on that other light, and lo and behold, Aplos got in contact with me and said there's a 2-year warranty on those lights and that they would send me a new light, and they did. So if I can figure out how to open this, there we go. They sent me a whole new light with all the fixings. So there's a brand new light. I'll charge her up and try her out. So I'll have to say one thing. Even though the light did fail, their service is excellent. This thing came to my door within 2 days. So happy with that. Thank you, Aplos. They didn't charge me at all. Sent me one for free. Didn't even want the old one back. So we're back in business. I just have to put all this back together, and we'll showcase it on another video. So thanks again, and I just wanted to update that.